Hello and welcome to the Wealth Index channel, your one-stop shop for enriching not only your bank account but your mind too. Want to develop a healthy relationship with your finances? Then keep watching. We are here to build a financial wellness community that will not only change your life, but for everyone who wants to see a better version of themselves. This is your space to learn new and exciting topics that can help you improve your life. We are here to spread the word about the beauty of taking care of your finances to make money work for you and not vice versa. If you want to learn more about the tips and tricks in navigating the world of finance, we are here to give you a head start. Let me be your guide to the path of financial independence. Continue watching some valuable tips and tricks for setting practical financial goals. Building financial wealth can be a hell of a challenge, but even though it is hard, I'm sure you are here because you are up for the ride. Setting clear and achievable financial goals can provide financial stability and a growth roadmap. Stay motivated, you will reach your goals. For this video, we will talk about the mind-blowing connection between a money mindset and self-worth. We will explore topics on how your money mindset can lead to self-worth sabotage, how external factors shape your money mindset and self-worth, and how they influence each other and fuel personal growth. First things first, how does your money mindset lead to self-worth sabotage? Money is a complicated concept. For some, money is the root of all evil. Some people may think that money is a form of emancipation. These concepts about money form part of our money mindset, affecting our overall relationships with our finances. These are also called money scripts. Due to our varying experiences, subconscious patterns of self-sabotage related to money can manifest differently. This often stems from deep-seated beliefs and emotions surrounding our self-worth and relationship with wealth. What are the role of limiting beliefs, fear of success, and fear of failure in self-sabotaging financial behaviors? Some people may have a fear of achieving financial success. This is often due to underlying feelings of inadequacy or unworthiness. This fear can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors such as procrastination, missed opportunities, or settling for less than they deserve. It reinforces a negative self-perception as they believe they don't deserve or cannot achieve financial abundance. This is a dangerous mindset because this does not allow growth and achievement of financial independence. A deeply ingrained belief in scarcity can hinder financial growth and impact self-worth. This mindset revolves around the idea that a limited amount of money is available and that acquiring wealth is inherently difficult or impossible. As a result, individuals may unconsciously repel opportunities for financial growth, avoid investing in themselves, or constantly engage in self-sabotaging behaviors that perpetuate the scarcity cycle. This pattern reinforces a sense of unworthiness, making it difficult to break free from limiting beliefs. Self-sabotage can also manifest through impulsive spending habits or an inability to control finances effectively. This behavior may be driven by emotional factors such as stress, low self-esteem, or the need for instant gratification. Overspending can lead to financial instability, debt, guilt, or shame, yet eroding self-worth as individuals perceive themselves as lacking control over their finances. In some cases, most people may consistently underprice their services, settle for lower-paying jobs, or refrain from negotiating higher salaries. This pattern can stem from the limiting belief that their skills or expertise are not valuable or worthy of fair compensation. Under-earning hinders financial growth and reinforces a negative perception of self-worth, as individuals may feel undervalued and trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. These subconscious patterns of self-sabotage can have a profound impact on self-worth. They create a vicious cycle where negative beliefs and behaviors reinforce each other, leading to a persistent sense of unworthiness and financial struggle. Freeing yourself from these patterns requires deep introspection, self-awareness, and a willingness to challenge and reframe limiting beliefs. So, how do you break free from self-sabotage patterns and cultivate a positive money mindset? Breaking free from self-sabotage patterns and cultivating a positive money mindset requires conscious effort and consistent practice. If you experience these, start by becoming aware of your self-sabotaging behaviors and habits. Observe how you react to money-related situations, identify negative beliefs or fears, and recognize their impact on your financial choices and self-worth. There are a lot of ways to be mindful. You can engage in journaling, self-meditation, or seek the help of a therapist or mindfulness coach to develop self-awareness. Constantly question and challenge your negative beliefs about money and your self-worth. Replace them with empowering and positive affirmations. For example, if you believe you don't deserve financial abundance, consciously affirm statements like, "I am worthy of wealth and success," "I accept financial blessings," or "I deserve to be financially prosperous." Repeat these affirmations regularly to reinforce positive beliefs. Aside from healing your mind, these exercises also benefit your physical and spiritual well-being. To empower yourself more, expand your financial knowledge and skills, educate yourself about personal finance, investing, budgeting, and money management to become more confident, and break free from the imposter syndrome. Understanding how money works and gaining confidence in handling finances can boost your self-worth and enable you to make informed decisions. Setting goals is also an excellent way to eradicate negative financial ideas. Define specific, achievable, realistic financial goals aligning with your values and aspirations. Break them down into actionable steps and create a plan to accomplish them. Working towards your goals and celebrating small victories enhances confidence and reinforces a positive money mindset. Surround yourself with individuals, such as your friends and family, who have a healthy relationship with money. You can share financial goals and aspirations with them. Engage in communities, join supportive groups, or seek out mentors who can inspire and motivate you. Positive influences can challenge self-sabotage patterns and reinforce a positive money mindset. You can also seek an online financial wellness community, like the Wealth Index channel. Empower yourself to challenge and redefine external influences to align with a positive money mindset and elevated self-worth. It would help to cultivate gratitude for your progress and what you have. Focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Always see the glass half full. Practice gratitude exercises such as keeping a gratitude journal or expressing appreciation daily. Shifting your mindset towards abundance helps attract more positive financial experiences and enhances self-worth. This will help you in your life's spiritual, physical, and mental aspects. Always embrace and prioritize self-care as an essential part of your financial well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and reduce stress. When you prioritize self-care, you reinforce the message that you deserve to be cared for and nurtured, boosting your self-worth and resilience. You can celebrate your financial wins too, no matter how small. Whether saving money, paying off debt, or making a wise investment, recognize and reward yourself for your accomplishments. Celebrating milestones reinforces positive behaviors and motivates you to continue toward financial empowerment. Remember, freeing yourself from the shackles of self-sabotage patterns and cultivating a positive money mindset is an ongoing process. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Undoing deeply ingrained beliefs takes time and effort. Consistent practice and a commitment to personal growth can transform your relationship with money, enhance your self-worth, and create a more abundant and fulfilling financial future. And that ends our video. Ever experienced self-sabotage? How did you overcome it? Do share them in the comment section down below. Always remember to believe in yourself, have strong willpower, and focus on the goal of financial independence. Money is a tool that could help us all achieve our dreams and aspirations. If you are experiencing challenges today, do not give up. We here at the Wealth Index channel can help you every step of the way. By developing and nurturing a healthy money mindset, you can transform your relationship with money, enhance your self-worth, and create a positive ripple effect in various aspects of your life. It paves the way for confidence, abundance, empowerment, and fulfillment. If you have any thoughts on the topics discussed in this video or any suggestions, leave a comment below. For more videos on wealth-related topics, just smash that like button and make sure you subscribe because your life depends upon it. Thank you for tuning in to the Wealth Index channel. Stay positive. Peace.